The casserole cookware with lid is an essential piece of kitchen equipment for anyone who loves to cook. There are many products available to choose casserole cookware with lid, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best casserole cookware with lid from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nutriup's 1.5L Glass Casserole Dish. Nutriup's glass casserole dish is a versatile and convenient kitchen essential. Made of 100% borosilicate glass, this casserole dish is safer and healthier than ordinary tempered glass. It does not absorb food odors or stains, ensuring that your dishes taste fresh every time. The 2-in-1 design allows the lids to be used as serving dishes or small baking dishes, making it perfect for dorms or small kitchens. The small size of the dish is ideal for 1 to 2 servings, making it suitable for individual meals or side dishes. The extra deep dish provides more creative space for gourmet dishes and reduces the risk of spillage. The glass lid helps to keep food moist while baking and microwaving, resulting in tender, juicy, and healthy meals. With Nutriup's glass casserole dish, you can easily prepare, cook, serve, and store your food in one dish, saving you time and effort. Number 2. Large Casserole Clay Pot Premium Ceramic Bowls, 2.65 quart. The Aeroplore ceramic cooking pot is a versatile and durable cookware that is perfect for personal casseroles. Made from premium ceramics, this pot provides uniform heating and is oven-safe. The vent on the lid prevents food overflow, while the annular bottom design ensures even heat distribution. Whether you're making soup, stew, or rice, this pot is designed to keep food warm and flavorful. It can be used on various heat sources, including gas stove, electric ceramic oven, and microwave oven. With its scratch-resistant and easy-to-clean surface, this pot is dishwasher safe. The Aeroplore ceramic cooking pot is a great addition to any kitchen and makes for an ideal housewarming gift. Number 3. Zebayar Round Glass Casserole Dish Set. The Zebayar glass casserole dish set is made from tempered glass, allowing it to withstand extreme temperatures without breaking. Its non-porous surface prevents food odors, flavors, and stains from being absorbed. The set features a 2-in-1 design, where the lids can also be used as serving dishes. This makes it convenient for dorms or for covering dishes in the oven or for refrigerator storage. The flat top with no knob allows for easy stacking, saving space in your fridge or cabinet. With 3 different sizes of dishes with lids, this set is an ideal addition to any kitchen. The glass lid keeps food moist while baking and microwaving, resulting in tender and juicy meals. Say goodbye to messy aluminum foil or disposable wraps. Whether you're cooking vegetables, bread puddings, or pot roast, the Zebayar glass casserole dish set ensures your food comes out delicious and healthy. Number 4. Glass Casserole with Lids. Introducing the Glass Casserole, a versatile cookware that is perfect for all your baking needs. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, this casserole is not only durable but also heat-resistant, making it safe to use in the oven, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. With its clear glass design, you can easily monitor your baked goods as they cook to perfection. The glass casserole comes with 3 casserole dishes and glass lids, providing you with versatile baking options. Whether you're cooking a family-sized lasagna or a single-serving casserole, this casserole has the perfect capacity to suit your needs. Say goodbye to complicated cooking and cleaning with this microwave and oven-safe casserole. Experience the convenience and ease of cooking with the glass casserole. Number 5. Nutriup's Mini Glass Casserole Dish. The Nutriup's glass casserole dish with lid is made from lead-free tempered glass that does not absorb food odors or stains. The handles make it easy to grab it out of the oven with hot pads, and the lid is easy to lift with a knob on top. This 0.8L dish is perfect for single servings of soup, casseroles, vegetables, and more. The clear bowl allows you to see how everything is cooking, and it is microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.